strumming pattern number 3. It's going to be extremely exciting and interesting. Why? Because you have to combine your first and the second strumming pattern. You remember the first one? Let's do a quick review of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? You're just playing the down and up stroke on the 4th beat. Whereas your second strumming pattern, you were using alternate strumming patterns on the 3rd and the 4th beat, which sounds like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all you're going to do is combine the first strumming pattern in the first cycle and the second one in the second cycle, or maybe the first bar and the second bar. So let's slowly combine it and see how it sounds. Just the pattern, not the chords. Mute your strings with your left hand. Just touch it gently. You don't have to press it hard. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple, right? What you can do is rewind a little bit, play along with me, and let's combine the previous 2 strumming patterns with the chords. So my progression is going to be A to D. I'm going to jump to E and then back to A. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Change. So it's a very simple and a straightforward progression and a strumming pattern as well. But if you spend enough time experimenting with it, trying to make it your own, trying to change it a little bit, you will realize that it sounds a lot more fun and versatile. Uh, Plenty of songs that have had this approach towards strumming pattern. If you want to see how it sounds at an upbeat tempo, let's do it. Let's try it once. Slightly faster, same chord progressions, but I'll switch the chords a little faster just to see how it sounds. Okay? On the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time, slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright then, that was fun. I'm sure you guys will have fun. In case you'll enjoy the lesson, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so that you'll be posted about every new lesson that we'll keep posting. And I'm pretty sure you guys will keep coming back for your weekly dose of amazing guitar lessons and a lot more fun-filled sessions. So keep strumming, keep practicing, and see you very soon.